In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Google Chrome search history. So what you need to do is open up Google Chrome, then go to the three dots in the top right hand corner, then head over to the history section, hover over it, and you'll see all of your recent tabs in history. From here, click on history, and that will open your Chrome history, and it will be either sorted by date or by group. If you want to delete all of your history though, you need to go to the clear browsing data. So click on that and it will then give you the option here to delete via the last 24 hours, the last 7 days, the last 4 weeks, or all time. Now this time range will allow you to delete anything that you check here. Now you can check through the basic settings or the advanced settings. The advanced settings is going to let you delete more specific history. If you want to just delete all history, I'd recommend going to basic. You can then choose a time frame. Then you just want to check browsing history and any others that you want to delete as well. Now do know if you delete your cookies and site data and cached images, it will log you out of all of the sessions that you've currently got on all accounts. So if that is going to be a problem for you, I'd recommend just deleting your history. So check delete browsing history, clear data, and that will then delete all of the history for your time frame. So I hope that quick video did help you out.